Hey Amanda, this is Mike. I was just looking over your post here, and this is interesting because the two lightsabers, because they are fiction, I don't think of them as responding the same way. Although I guess Newton's third law respond or does apply in both things, but this would be in the same way uh, two conventional swords or sabers would respond when they're crossed like that, I think. Because the whole point of them is that you're projecting out a pseudo mass and a pseudo blade um, in the movie. So so I'm reading through this. Yeah, I think you're correct in what you say here about the two forces are canceling out, kind of, so that either one can move due to the other. So as long as that holds true, nothing's going to happen. But we know from the movie that everything moves eventually. So that's an interesting example. Good picture.